I want to show how to create our timer. Go over and click on the Type tool and type in your first number on the preview screen. Double-click your number and go over to Essential Graphics and make whatever adjustments that you want. For this tutorial, I'm going to increase the size and center it. So the seconds match up with our countdown. Modify the duration of your first number until it equals exactly 1 second. Because I chose a 5-second countdown, I need to duplicate the layer 4 times for 1, 2, 3, and 4. Do this by holding Alt and clicking and dragging over. Now make sure all 5 text layers are beside each other on the timeline. Then start changing the number in each layer so it follows the previous number before it, so that when it counts down, the numbers will be in order. Click on your first countdown number and go to Effect Controls. From the start of the layer, click the stopwatch icon for scale. Then move to the end of the layer and change the value to 20. Right-click Motion under Video and select Copy. Then go in and click on every other text layer and copy these settings into the window by right-clicking in the gray area under Effect Controls.
Let's solve together. Put your like and subscribe.